So hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can fix your iPhone X ghost touch problem. So if you just see issues like this, you don't touch any part of your screen but your screen flicker like this, or when you click on this you see there is little delay, or you see the screen is slow and it doesn't work. So all of this problem is because of ghost touch issue. So after many users complained this that after updating their smartphone to iOS 15 or 16 they are facing this issue. So to solve this problem there are few solutions which I'm gonna share with you. So the very first solution is take a cloth like this and try to clean your smartphone. You see this phone, I have to clean this. Sometimes the dirty screen problem is the main cause of this ghost touch issue. So I recommend you to clean your smartphone screen regularly. So if this works then good. If this doesn't, then there is another solution also, that's force reboot. What you have to do is press and hold this volume up button, then volume down, then press and hold this power key. Keep holding it. Now you see the screen disappear. Now you have to wait. So if the previous two solution doesn't work, then the third solution which you can try is, what you have to do is you have to remove the tempered glass. Sometimes what happens is many users think that if we will put a thick tempered glass in our smartphone then it will protect our smartphone, but it may protect your smartphone from any damage, but you see the touch issue, or sometimes you see the ghost touch issue. So to fix it, what you have to do is you have to remove the tempered glass, and this will simply solve your problem.